Alright guys. So if you flying for a while now, you do your flips and rolls and stuff like that, and you bang your stick all the way to the left and right, which is okay. And if you are a shbang-shbanger, which is a different kind of flying, it will be alright. But if you do like flowy stuff and like old school freestyle flowy stuff, it's nice to do slow rolls, and which means you control your roll instead of banging it to the left or the right. Alright, so slow rolls. I'm gonna arm this shit yet. Alright, so if you're like flying around with some obstacles and some trees, you'll flowy shit over the tree. And like a normal roll is like, and my rates are pretty low. My rates are about 606. So that's under default, it's pretty low. My roll was pretty slow anyway, but it's nice to control it. Like you go fast and then slowly, like this. And it makes it more flowy. Also, a little bit of yaw with the roll makes it more that your camera is in the middle, if you know what I mean.
1 minute.
This depends on your camera angle. My camera angle is around 17 degrees, which is pretty low. So I don't have to use a lot of yaw to get a nice roll with the center in the middle. But if you got a higher camera angle, you have to incorporate your yaw to get it a little bit in the middle. So now you can play with the roll if you control it, not only like bang, but you know, you can and slowly roll out of it. Makes it real nice. You can also start slow and end quick. This is also a gateway to other tricks, of course, especially inverted tricks, because now you're inverted.
2 minutes.
And with inverted stuff you can do like inverted yaw spins and stuff like that, or fly upside down for a while. So watch my sticks if I go, as I go first a little quick and then slowly. So I bang it first to the right. If I go to the right, I bang it really, and then I stop at the right moment to slowly go on. So like this. But also you can, of course, totally slow it down, not only 1/2 of it. So this is a nice training to invert stuff, and it's nice to control your roll. Oh God. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh God, my battery is totally done. I killed the battery! Right, so that was a slow roll. Try it out, maybe you like it. And it's also a good gateway to invert stuff.